السلام عليكم. اسمي هاشم واليوم بنتكلم عن quest 9 which talks about the functions as arguments. So we're going to go straight to the examples to understand more about it. Alright, let me clear this out. Alright, so we're going to start by creating two functions. بنسوي functionين أول شيء وبنعطيهم two parameters. زين وبنعطيهم return value. return value going to be the sum of two arguments والمجموع مال الارجمنتس اللي عندنا اياهم اثنيناتهم. وفانكشن الثاني بنسميه mult, so it gives us the multiplication. So one sec. ويكون نفس الشيء، بناخذ two parameters a and b وبنرجع integer. زين sorry زين ما يفرق. وبيعطينا return value a multiplication of the two numbers a multiplied by b. Simple as that. But we're gonna create a new function called mult. Let's say apply mult add. All right, which is gonna take two parameters a integer and b integer, the same as the above. But a new thing, we're gonna call it f function. We can call f anything like f, a, b, doesn't matter. And we're gonna call it func. So as if it's a function that we have, and we're gonna give it two parameters, but without naming them. All right, initializing them. And we're gonna return it at the end as an integer. All right. So the return value gonna be f a b, right? So f a b, it's as if I'm calling one of these functions that I have here. So it's let's say f it's add, so it's gonna be add a and b, which is gonna be the sum of both, or mult is gonna be a multiplied by b. All right. So let's write in the main so it be more clear. All right. So let's call it sum. All right, sum is gonna be, we're gonna call the apply mult add, and we'll give it two variables, and let's call add since we're calling sum. All right, let me import it, the fmt. All right, so I'll call sum here. All right, since I have two functions, it's not a headache, so I'm just gonna add the other one here. Okay, let's call it the product of the two variables. Gonna be mult, right? So prod, all right. So since we're on the main, let's run it instantly. Dot. It's gonna give us the sum of the two values 5 and 3, and the product of the multiplication 5 and 3 is 15. All right, there's also another way where it could be easier or not. I'm not sure, it depends on you. So we're gonna create an array of function. All right, which we're gonna give it array. I'm gonna call it an array of func. Okay, sorry, I need to give it integer, as if I'm calling the same function that I have outside. And we're gonna add the two functions that I have. All right. Okay, so it's the same way of doing it, just in an array function. So let's call array function at the position 0, since the array starts from 0 and goes on. Okay, 0 we have add, and for multiplication we have as 1. All right, so when we run, we're gonna get the same values again. And if we give it like 2, 3, or anything above of the numbers of values I have in the array, and it's gonna give us a panic, or it's out of bounds in general, out of index. All right, and I would say that's it, and good luck with your quest. Bye.